Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment so the recording is reliable. Launch both the macro recorder and your game as administrator. This avoids input blocks. Once done, disable overlays and background recorders that steal focus. Next, choose a concise routine, 1 to 2 actions that repeat well, record 5-15 seconds. Make sure to note timings. Why? Because precise delays prevent misfires in-game. Now position your cursor and practice the movement once. Then press record and perform the action calmly. You will now record and refine the macro for consistent performance. Begin with raw input or hardware capture mode to get exact keystrokes and mouse movements. This matters for fast-paced games. After the first pass, trim dead time and replace unstable pauses with fixed delays. Make coordinates relative to the window so resolution changes don't break it. Once adjusted, test on a short loop, run 3 repeats, observe behavior, and tweak delays or smoothing until the actions are flawless and repeat predictably. You finish by assigning a clear hotkey and choosing toggle versus hold behavior, toggle for long runs, hold for precise bursts. Next, run an endurance test for 10-30 minutes to check drift, missed inputs, or unintended behavior. If you plan multi-instance use, test each window separately. Troubleshoot quickly. If things go wrong, re-record the sequence, add 5200 ms delays where jitter happens, and switch to windowed or borderless mode to stabilize coordinates and focus. This usually solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.